Alright, hey guys, I'm doing Beast Swarm. Again and again. Friends, back. If you don't remember Alex, or the cannibal guy from the prison series, he was muted. Hopefully he can talk now. He's really good at Beast Swarm. I hope he's not muted. It would really suck if he was muted, though. But, anyways, he said he's gonna help me out, like, big help me out. Hey, Alex, are you gonna big help me out?
Maybe.
Alright, so how are you gonna help me out, though?
Yes.
How?
I don't know.
Can't you, like, make a sprout or something, destroy it?
Oh, true.
Also, where did you plant it?
I did.
Okay. I only have 5 bees. I have 5 bees, and that's it. So, there's a funny spider. I'm gonna kill this guy.
Funny boy, did you make me laugh?
So, now that I destroyed this spider, we'll see a funny sprout in here. But I also see parkour for free royal jelly. So, let's have to do that parkour.
Me parkour, it makes me funny. It makes me go
oh. Oops, yeah, I did the wrong parkour to this moon thingy. I need moon charms for that, though. Alright, funny parkour. Boom, easy royal jelly. Ooh, triple flowers. Oh no, this rhino beat. There's so many. Yeah, you killed them quick. So why are you like this good at the game, though?
Not funny.
Wait, you're doing it so fast. You're doing it way too fast. Okay, wait, I'm coming back now, alright? So now you're gonna break this thing. That's basically how I get rich. I just get my friends, and then make them do sprouts. And then all of a sudden I see a bunch of honey appear. Boom, 4,000, easy. I did some funny stuff. Royal jelly, I'm rich.
You do funny stuff.
This gives me 2,000 per token, and that's crazy.
Like, do I need a bomber bee though? Do I need a gifted bomber bee?
I have a gifted basic bee.
What?
I have a gifted basic bee, you know? Is that good?
It's decent. It's decent.
It's decent, okay.
It's not the most rarest gifted bee at all. Why would it be that?
I did some research with cool dudes and stuff. He told me some stuff about there's event bees if you scroll down here, and those are basically the rarest gifteds. He said my basic bee though is like pretty funny.
It's I mean, except for all the event bees, it's the rarest one. It's the rarest gifted bee. It's just so good.
Why is it so rare? I just hatched my normal egg.
It's like yes.
So we don't Robux, so I can't just have what's this shop? Whatever happens here that you can do star egg always hatches into gifted thingy. Yeah, I can't just do that because I don't Robux. Now, but I can buy a basic egg, and the basic egg is gonna hatch into a funny bee.
Does it make you go funny?
It's a basic bee, not gifted, of course. I have 2 moon charms though. A honeybee.
The honeybee.
The honeybee is pretty funny. Also, isn't there like Honeystorm? I played with Cool Dude 28 and he makes Honeystorms. Can you do that, or is he better than me?
Yeah, I can make that happen.
Okay, so don't you need you need legendaries for that, and it's just crazy to get legendary.
Yeah, that's so crazy. Way more harder to get that gifted basic feelings.
Yeah, I like this because it makes me rich. It makes me feel wealthy. I feel so wealthy with this. It makes me feel
so funny. It makes me go haha.
Yeah. Ooh, a ticket. Yeah, tickets are really, really good. Because they help out with this. Alright, I got 4K. The Sprout was better. I'm still poor.
Oh, that,
How many sprouts do you do? How many sprouts can you make?
I kind of used all my sprouts.
Okay. There's the King Beetle though. He's really hard though. I can't.
Yeah, he's really hard.
What does he give you though? Have you beaten him before?
Yeah, I've beaten him.
Wait, how? Okay, whatever. Can you help me with fight him though?
I can't help you fight him because that would be
How come?
cheating.
How come though? Oh, alright.
They say no.
Ow! Oh my gosh, he just like inserted my health. Oh, okay.
Does he now?
Wait. Those two though. Wait, how do you kill us so fast? Hacker?
Okay.
I'm running. The King Beetle. What the?
Oh, a glitter.
Your bees are
Nice.
attack. Your bees. Oh, I guess this one is a boss, so like you can't have other people's bees fight it. I'm gonna just go in a circle. So far I did like 37 damage. Yeah. I can't. All my attacks miss. Yeah. Also, when I was talking with the DJ, my other friend who does funny stuff, he said you can get. He said you can get sprouts from Memory Match. What's Memory Match?
You can.
Oh, can you get sprout from it then?
It's not that common though.
Oh, my honeybee level up! Yay! I'm rich now. I also beat a panda's quest. Oh, a rare sprout automatically appeared. Not in any field I can go to because I have 5 bees. Not 5, I have 8. But I can go to Panda Bear. I make honey. There's gumdrops apparently, but those are just funny things. Ah! Oh, they killed a rhino beetle. Okay, there's 2 after me. Fight. Yeah. So, I get poor easily. 27,000. I need 35,000 for my next thing. I think we should actually buy a better backpack, better collector. So,
You'd probably buy a better backpack.
I have the backpack. And I should do a bunch of quests. My next
quests are
good.
You do a lot of quests.
Variety fetcher.
These are very, very important times.
Yeah, but like, also, how do I get 7-pronged cogs? I know a few codes that gave me like, I got 3 of the codes.
So I need
like
the other codes
more than 3. What?
I don't know what the other codes are because I haven't. It was a bit ago.
Oh. Oh man, I only got 3 of the codes down. I like to make the honey though. Honey is money in this game, and it's amazing.
Honey is money. Honey.
The honeybee seems to be doing epic. Apparently some bees like certain things, but you can kind of guess it off. Like Rascal Bee's red, he likes strawberry.
Star jelly.
So I think honeybee likes pineapple, right? Yeah, honeybee does like pineapple. Vroom vroom vroom.
I got a funny star jelly. It made me go funny.
Star jelly? What's that?
It makes one of your bees gifted. For a random bee.
Oh, why don't? Oh, okay. That's good though. I only have one gifted bee. I'm still searching though. Room tickets. Oh yeah, I should feed 15 shoots to my bees. What do you recommend I use my tickets? I have the 9 tickets right now.
Oh, there's not much you can use that for though.
Oh, anything I should save up then?
Yeah, you can save up.
Like, but what should I save up for?
There's maybe some event bees you can try to save up for, but I think that's too far away.
Oh, what about the event bees?
They're in like a tent near the hive.
What tent? Oh. Okay, understood. But what should I save up for right now, though?
I don't know.
Is there anything on my level?
I don't know.
Room 5,000. Alright. 5 beats of level 4 did that. A beat of level 5 did that. 20 treats, 5 strawberries. I got 20 treats. I have 24 treats and I have 7 strawberries. That's good enough. Wait. My honeybee makes honey token. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. 17, 18, 19, and 20. There. Alright, now since my rats gonna be like strawberries, I can feed. 1, 2, 3. Also 4, and not stubborn bee. 5. If you hear any background stuff, sorry about that. It's not stuff. I have a real life, and stuff happens in it. There, I'm doing Mother Bear's quest because those aren't too hard.
It's actually a very good quest.
Okay, I'm gonna just harvest these leaves because these leaves are amazing. Look, they gave me sunflower. That's cool. 10,000 honey. Ooh. And other stuff. Bringing on blueberries. Oh, what's this? What is this? What is this? Pop. Ooh. With 3 bees to level 5, 30 treats, and 10 blueberries. Oh. Yeah, I don't think that's my level. I want my bee army to grow. I will take on the world with my bee army. It's gonna be amazing.
You can get pretty good even if you just spend a lot of time on this.
I kinda figured. How do I get this royal jelly? It's stuck up there. Anyway, I'm gonna fight the chicken. Oh, I died on Abby. No! Is there any way I can run faster or something like that?
Yeah, there is a way. There's
Oh,
good boots and like some like stuff where you feed like from bosses and other stuff.
Okay.
And you can get like faster.
Boots. Oh, I can make these basic boots. Alright, nice. Yeah, I noticed how much faster I walk. Alright. And it said it gives me pollen when I walk. This is cool. I'm Sonic. I should probably actually probably get something to wear on my head maybe. Oh, this Ooh, this gives me 10% pollen, 25% defense. Yeah, I'll make this helmet. This will help me fight. This will help me fight the fat chicken. It phases through my buildable for treasure helmet. Also, if you want me to see, if you want to see me fail at buildable for treasure, you can comment that. You can comment that you want to see me fail in buildable for treasure, or you can well, I didn't die. You can see me. You can also comment to see me like get friends to help me, and because that's I can't. I'm kind of not as good in Roblox as some of my friends are. I was inspired by actually my friends brought me to Roblox and flamenco too. This time I got more honey from my honeybee. Now this chicken is gonna get killed. I have a vacuum. Hiya. Yeah. And I skim. Ow, 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 ow. But it doesn't do as much damage. Haha. It doesn't do as much damage to me, and that is amazing. So, yeah, I'll take this down, and I guess I'll end the video there. So, I'll probably do it. Well, I guess I'll just end the video now. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.